Hello guys, in today's video I want to talk about the importance of transverse reinforcement in reinforced concrete structures and how much important this reinforcement is, and also how much important it is to understand how this reinforcement works. And for this purpose I will demonstrate later a simple experiment, but before that I want to talk a little about theory. So, here we have a simple beam and we apply some force. Okay, what we all know is the diagrams for shear force and for the moment, and this will be like this. And after this force we expect the shape of the beam to be something like this. Now, there are two forces that are applied here, two internal forces, and it's easy to understand the moment, because when we look at this shape we can understand that the upper part, this one, will be in tension and this part will be compressed. So if we look inside here, there is one force like this and one force like this, and we have the moment. But what about this one? What about the shear? When we again look inside here, a small detail, let's cut a small piece. This one tries to rotate. So these are the internal forces, and if the element cannot withstand this split force, the shape would be like this. So this is why we need the transverse reinforcement, this one, that will try to connect everything, and all this element will be not split like this, but act as one. Let's see the experiment and we will try to understand it more. For the purposes of the experiment, we have constructed a wooden beam which consists of 3 thin wooden strips. Also, we have drilled the beam to insert a shear reinforcement, and we also drilled a larger hole to add the weight that acts as a force. At the beginning of the beam, we have added 4 clamps and thus we consider that at this point we have a fixed support. Now, to visualize the impact of the transverse reinforcement in the beam, we will add weight at the end and measure the deformation. This will be done once without reinforcement and once with the transverse reinforcement that we will add in the holes we have drilled. This way, we will see if there's a difference in the elongation of the beam and we will try to measure it. Let's see.